Hey everybody, just gonna be doing a little bike check here with my new Fit Dugan 2013. So let's go to the wheel. We have a Fit Bikeco 2.25 tire with a Revenge single wall front rim. Nice. Full chromoly fork, bars, and frame. We have animal pivotal C-post, shadow half-length chain, and Fit tire 2.10 with a Revenge double wall rim. Here's the hub sound. It's pretty loud. Okay, my stem is a salt stem, front load. Bars, 8.25 rise, 29 wide, huge. Odyssey Aaron Ross Pro keyboard grips. Odyssey black par ends. Dan sticker, G Sport. And, yep, Odyssey twisted PCs. Fit pivotal seat. Yeah, bike. It's light. It's like, they say it's 24 point whatever pounds, but that's including all the brake cables and stuff like that. I don't ride brake, so it's really light, and I've like taken a lot of weight off with other parts, not just stock parts, so I think it's about 22 pounds, I think. So yeah, got my Joyride sticker, and yeah, thank you guys.